Hey, what's up everybody? Jesse, Southern Reels Fishing, on our way out to, I would say, an offshore spot today for some flounder with my bros once again, Sean and Reed over here, Yak Bros and Seven Cities Fishing. We're going to have some fun, try this kind of spot. It's the first time we've hit it. Hopefully we can find some flatties out here today. If nothing else, maybe some drum. We're going to get some lines in the water and make something happen. Wish us luck. All right, y'all, we made it to our destination, trying to see what the tide is doing right now. Actually, we're approaching slack tide, so we're probably going to have to help the drifts with some pedaling. Bucktail, 3/4, Skinner rig, like always. That's what I'm gonna start with, and just drop it down and jig this structure here. Hopefully we can find some flounder. I know we'll probably find croaker. Damn. Are you serious?
You're joking with me, bro.
No, I'm not. It hit the bottom and it was like boom. If that's a flounder, that's a nice one. It might be a toad though. There's a lot of toads here too, and that's a huge flounder. Holy crap. Holy Jesus. I jigged it one time and it was like I'm hung.
That's a beast.
Y'all, I ain't lying, that is the quickest I have ever caught a fish on a trip. That is freaking unbelievable, man.
When you said something, I thought you were like, oh, I'm already snagged.
That's what I thought it was. Good God. On the teaser. Look at that.
20-inch plus, 20-inch something.
First drop, first jiggle. That just blows my mind. 21 1/4. Freaking unbelievable, y'all. All right, I brought my stringer today so I can keep these guys alive. Oh, y'all, that was beyond explanation how quick that happened. Jesus. I hope that's a sign of what today's gonna bring. And not that first 5-minute catch and then that's it. Hey, at least we won't get bored today with all this different stuff we can catch. All right, y'all, I'm just lining up consecutive drifts. We got a little bit of wind pushing us. Wind coming offshore and the tide's going that way very slowly. So it's helping us out to be able to cover this pretty effectively. The structure here is spread out over a pretty large area. So we got enough here to keep us busy for probably a half a day doing drift patterns. Basically just lining up, hitting all the little pieces of structure. It was nice, I did some homework before I come out. Got on a contour map on the app for my phone that Garmin provides. It's called Active Captain, and was able to plot out all the pieces on this little reef out here. So I've got all the waypoints. Basically all I gotta do is just go around and fish all the little pieces of structure instead of kind of scanning around out here blind. So it definitely saves a lot of time when you fish a piece of structure like this to have the ability to do that. Basically do it right on my phone at home, and then it links to my sonar here and uploads the marks. First time I've actually done it on my kayak. It worked really good. All my marks are there. Oh, there we go. That's some weight. Yep, that's a flounder. I can tell by the head shape. Oh yeah. That rapid head shape. It's always a giveaway. Yeah, it's a smaller one. I don't know if it's a keeper. Toadfish, they have those pulsing, like second long pulses when they're fighting. Flounder's got that very rapid head shake. It's definitely a noticeable difference once you get used to it. Let's see if this guy's a keeper or not, because I actually haven't brought any flounder home this year yet. I don't think he is. Nope, 16. Second one today. Oh, toad, is it? Yep, that's a toad. See the way that rod's dipping like that? I bet you. Yep.
Those surges.
Old toadfish. Chunky cousin to the flounder.
It's that girl the flounder hooks up with. They don't want nobody to know.
Oh, hey, is that same one?
Oh.
No, that's got that rapid shake. I think that's a mat. Either that or a big weak fish. Good Lord.
Good God.
Not quite sure what that is. Oh, that's a mat. Oh, okay, oh my God. I love it when a plan comes together. Yeah, you stay in there. Oh man, that's a nice one, y'all. That's a nice one. In there, here we go. Make sure that gets in that split real good. Oh yeah. Whoa, oh, easy, don't you do it. Lippers don't fail me now. Now you're mad, but you gotta lay flat for me. And this dude is 21. This one is definitely going home. Going on here with your slightly bigger buddy. Yeah, y'all. Heck yeah. Oh, there we go. That's a toadfish. Tell by the pump. Yep. Well, hey folks, I think we're headed in for this trip. Honestly, it started off awesome this morning. Immediate bite right away, which you saw, and just slowly tapered down after that to where it was almost nothing biting. So we decided to go ahead and call it and head in. We might fish up here some. I don't know. If we do, it'll probably be a different video. But anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out. See you next time.